So I'm over here by the lettuce patch, and this is the butterhead head lettuces that I planted 2 weeks ago. And you can see they've all germinated and have really developed exactly where they're going to continue to expand. So I want to do a couple of things today. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to go and see if there's 3 plants. I'm going to pull out one of these plants. Now I can actually replant this as well because you can see the root system. So I'm just going to pop it in right over here. Most likely it's going to take, but why not, rather than throwing away the plant. The second thing I'm going to do today is mulch. Mulching is really important at this stage of the game. One, when you water, it's going to retain the moisture. Two, secondly, you're going to prevent weed growth by making sure that everything is covered. And 3, it's going to keep the soil cool when it starts to get to be those hot temperatures out in another 30 days. So I'm going to take my mulch and I'm literally going to spread it throughout the area. So all I'm going to see is the lettuce heads. I'm going to leave about a ½ an inch around the base of each of the plants. It also looks like it's a finished bed as well when you got it all mulched in. Try to put at least an inch, and if you have enough mulch, 2 inches is great to mulch an area. So I'm going to do this for the entire bed, and these should continue to grow really well.